Vic Tesolin lives in St. Catharines, Ontario. His cozy and well-equipped studio is in his garage. Vic has been in the woodworking industry for over 20 years and is currently focusing on teaching and writing about woodworking. This is a hall table Vic made years ago while he was a student at Rosewood Studio in Eastern Ontario. As you can see, it has a lot of nice details. Through wedge tenons, quilted big leaf maple top, and an octagonal tapered legs all make this table stand out. I especially like the small octagonal facets on the tops of each leg, which are obviously machined very accurately. And here's a cherry guitar stand he made a while ago. This is a demi-lune table with inlaid legs Vic made. And this is a media center with a tapered arched base. With Vic's background in designing and making hand tools for Lee Valley, it's not surprising he's also made a lot of wooden tools for shop use. Vic has spent much of his woodworking time focusing on designing tools and teaching. Having said that, the furniture he's made is quite impressive. Here's a collection of pieces he's made over the years. Even though Vic's studio is small at 270 square feet, he's got virtually everything a woodworker would need. A healthy selection of power tools, like a bandsaw, a jointer thicknesser, a dust collector, and a number of sanders, not to mention a wide range of handheld power tools, gets the grunt work done. Vic's large hand tool collection takes care of cutting and fine-tuning joinery and surfaces. It's pretty impressive what he's done with a small studio space. Then again, maybe I shouldn't be surprised what Vic can do with a small space and minimal tools, as he's literally wrote the book on that approach to woodworking. Vic enjoys being out and about and often has his trusty shop dog by his side.